Hey there YouTube. Today this video is just showcasing the Nexgrill that I bought after 2 years of use. I don't cover it because it's stainless steel, and also because the cover that I bought for it from Home Depot ripped in the first year. So I decided screw it, I'm not going to spend $20 on another cover for a grill that's only 150 bucks. It's a little bit dirty, as you can see. A lot of smudges on it, but it'll clean right up. I'm actually going to clean it today and I'll show you how it cleaned up. So I use this a lot and haven't had any issues. I had to replace the battery inside of the igniter the other day. That's really easy to do. But other than that, I haven't had to do anything. I don't even have to turn the gas off. So I just leave the propane on. I never turn the tank off, and it hasn't lost any propane. It still fires right up. I guess I'll show you. So what I do is I just turn all these on and hit the igniter. Love that sound. The metal shields or whatever inside, I haven't really cleaned those. I've just been burning the grease off. No real issues there. You can see the grease collection tray is nasty and gross. Whoa! And sometimes ladybugs like to go in there and they get popped. Cleaning the grease tray is really easy. I dumped it out the first few times, but then I just stopped caring, and no negative effects that I can see. This food smells great, especially with the ladybug flavoring. I've never actually used the side burner, I don't think. It's kind of pointless. I'm really happy there wasn't an animal in there when I opened that. Let's turn this one on. Oh good, that actually works. Oh, there's leaves in it, burning. Alright, let's turn that off. But, yeah, 2 years later, everything still works great. Even the thermometer up here. So, if you're thinking about buying this model of grill this year from Home Depot, if it's on sale, I assume they'd probably sell it at other places and such, but go ahead and buy it. You won't be disappointed. You'll notice that anything that isn't stainless steel does appear to be rusting. Just missed a few spots here on the handles. So yeah, it actually cleaned up really well for not cleaning it for 2 years. Probably shouldn't use the wire brush. I put fine scratches in it, so lesson learned there. But yeah, this will be a great purchase for you. I've not had a single issue. Thanks for watching.